Right, here we are. Come with me as we walk in. We cleared this bit of garden last year. There's the toilet. I'm not joking. Traditional Bulgarian toilet. There's a hole in the ground. Not ideal, but you've got to work with what you've got. There's the house. It's got an extension on the back. Outbuilding there. Little barn here. Around the back there's more barns. Just make our way through. Still got snow. Here we go into the garden and into the house. This could be a lovely cottage garden. Little gazebo somewhere. Graham's just unlocking Fort Knox. This here. So, got a bit of tidying up to do, as you can see. That's a window into the kitchen. This here is a shower room, but as you can see there's daylight at the back of it. It needs a lot of work doing to it. It's a full renovation, as I said. Around the side. That's where they used to keep all the animals. So this takes you to the extension. It goes right through. Trees, there's fruit trees everywhere. This was the animal pen. Bits of firewood everywhere. Whoop. It's really uneven ground as well, and it's slippy. Oh, the animal shed. And then up the back there's just more trees, and at the very top there's a fantastic view. But that's a video for another day. So downstairs, in we go, down the steps. Doorman, thank you. Door doesn't stay open. Hallway. Yeah. Old fridge, still got things in it, not very nice. Graham's just testing the electric. So that's the old fire. Okay. And then this is going to be the lounge, I believe. We're taking up the floors because they're all cracked. Lots to clear out, lots to do. Ceilings to drop. This is the kitchen. Taking up the floor in here today. As you can see, there's been quite a bit of mouse or rat activity. But it's all fixable. We did our house. We'll do this one. It's had damp, but it's been empty for a long time. All fixable. Okay, so this is the cellar. It actually looks brighter on the screen than what it does when I'm looking at it, so that's quite good. This is all woodworm ridden, so firewood. And this is going to be part of the kitchen, I believe. This wall here will come down. This doorway that I'm looking through now will be bricked up with that wall. Look at the ceiling. So as you can see, we've been grafting away. That bit of the floor's gone already. We broke up the concrete. And underneath it is this. Graham, how do you say it? Because I can't say it properly.
Clinker.
Clinker. Which is, in English?
Clinker.
Clinker. Right, okay.
It's from power stations. It's a byproduct.
It's a byproduct from the power stations. Put it underneath the concrete for insulation, yeah?
Or something like that.
Something like that. Anyway.
But they've only put 2 centimetres of like cement or concrete on top, so it's no good. It needs doing properly. Because we're going to be tiling in here.
Okay, so we've got this to do. We had to empty the room first as well. And it's a glorious day to be inside digging away.
Here we are at the end of day one. Removed all the clinker. Luckily there's a nice layer of sand at the bottom. Saves a job. Put a little bit of this rubble at the bottom for hardcore. Got the sink to smash out. Workers on strike.
Agony.
Well, tomorrow morning I'll lift all these bags out and get rid of the clinker. We're going to try and reuse the clinker for Going to try and reuse the clinker for another project.
A clinker is a ladybird.
I know it is. The reason why we're taking it out in the first place is because these ceilings are really low. So if we were to just lay on top of it, I think we would have been banging our heads on door frames and the ceiling. So next, this wall here is going to be coming out. We're going to be putting a nice lintel in there. And it's going to join into this room here. It's nice. It used to be a storage room. And then there's going to be a staircase here, where this big pile of rubble is.